a beautiful unboxing. The hose, brushes, the big boy. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Got a little bit of weight to it as well. LiDAR technology. Mamma mia. That's the magical base system. Wow. I really wanted to see how they're doing it. Okay, that's the dust area underneath. This is the dust for the robot to climb housing. This is top of the line. If you're looking for this, you probably can afford it, or you want to, especially now with Prime deals, a much reduced price compared to even when you got it first time by signing up before this was actually released. Not sure how they're doing that, but significantly Amazon has cut the price. I say if you wanted to get it, now will be the right time to do that. You're getting a very sweet deal, and if you don't have Prime, what are you doing?